What's going on, everyone? My name's Kyle, and today I'm going to bring you a video talking about 5 design tips to help improve your Facebook ads. Tip number 1 is starting with a goal. For example, on this EGMAT Facebook ad that I have up on the screen right now, they're trying to build awareness that this product is available, and they do that by telling a story relating to people. Facebook is all about people, and when people are on Facebook, they're looking at other people's lives and they're in that mindset. So when you're creating an ad, it's best to relate your product to people. So for example, this one, if I can score 740 on GMAT, anyone can. That makes it revolving around a person rather than just having a book saying GMAT course, because people are looking to connect with people on Facebook. That's why they're already on the site. The second tip that I have is showing the product being used by people. Like I said previously, when you're on Facebook, people are looking to connect with their friends and family, and they're just looking. Usually, it's through different posts of people or text posts of people that they care about and that they know. So it's best when you're doing a Facebook ad to kind of almost blend it into people's feeds so that it doesn't feel as much like an advertisement and more as something that they're already looking for. So, for example, this is a great Facebook ad because the picture itself just looks like it could be a group of your friends eating ice cream together. When really, when you take a closer look, you realize, oh, Sunnyside Bar, this is a sponsored ad, but it gets you engaged with the advertisement in the beginning so people don't just scroll past it in their feed. So that's a great tip for gaining more more valuable impressions, because most people will just scroll through advertisements versus actually engaging in the post. The third tip is less is more with text. So Facebook's algorithms for showing advertisements um, tend to hurt you severely when you have more text on the screen. For example, this advertisement right here is covering more than 30% of the screen with text. And so Facebook will, if they allow you to post something like that, they'll show it less and charge you more for showing those types of images on the site. They also tend to do poorly anyways, just because, like I was talking about previously, people are looking for engaging with other people, and so if it's just a block of text on the screen, they don't care to see that. They care to see people's stories and people interacting with products and other things like that. So they don't do well anyways, as well as Facebook just doesn't want to put them up. So your best bet is to not have text or have as little text as possible when you're making advertisements. Tip number 4 is having a clear, focused message. So usually on Facebook, it's really obvious what the message is of advertisements when it's just a picture of whatever they're wanting you to buy. What's even better beyond that is having a focused message that isn't coming across like an ad right away. A group that does this really well is Tasty on Facebook. They're like a food channel off of BuzzFeed, and basically what they do is they make a variety of different food recipe videos, and they'll incorporate certain products or tools making those videos, and they're paid by those companies to promote those products. So a good example right here, they just released this one. It's a Bailey's cheesecake bites, right? So they didn't need to use Bailey's in the title, but they're being paid by Bailey's, and you can even see that on the Facebook ad right here. It says paid. So in the Facebook ad, the first thing that you see in the video is the bottle of Bailey's with the cake bite or the cheesecake bite, and the cheesecake bite is so small comparatively to the Bailey's bottle because they're really pushing that look for Bailey's. Even though when you're scrolling through, it may not necessarily come across like that. You see that, and then you play the video, and then they are just going into the recipe, right? It's even better because in their comments, they're posting over here on the bottom right. These are the comments, and the top comments that they have at the top are the full recipe with the picture of the Bailey's bottle and the Bailey's bottle with the cheesecake bites. So that's an example of a really clear message with not coming across as like too advertising, and turning people off to that advertisement. Because this is kind of an interesting video. I mean, I would watch it just if I'm interested in cooking or baking in general, and then I would then go buy Bailey's, because that's what's used in the recipe. So having those types of videos that are your advertisements, but they're not so much upfront as an advertisement, do really well on Facebook. And then the last tip that I have for you is using high quality video and images. So as you can see in these first two, this one's kind of bad, but the first two have very high quality images that they're promoting. And so people will be more keen of looking at them and clicking through when it looks like a good image, and it's easy to see and clear. This one has like a little bit of editing to where all the colors are really like vibrant, versus like this Born to Fly advertisement looks really bad. I mean, it's kind of like uh, grainy. It's not a high quality, crisp picture, and so the better quality pictures will do better on Facebook ads. So that was 5 design tips for making better Facebook ads. Hopefully you can incorporate a couple of those into creating better Facebook ads for yourself and you get good results. Thanks.